If you have seen my art videos like these and you want to create something similar, then it's your lucky day, because that's exactly what we are gonna learn today. I will show you how to film and edit so you'll be all set at the end of this video. And if you already don't know, then hi, I'm Una from Inky Paper House. Okay, let's start by setting up. I have created a little scene. What you put around your drawing is totally up to you. Then I put the drawing in the center and tape it down with washi tape, so it doesn't move. That is really important. I will film and take photos with my phone. That is in the holder and it is shooting straight down. You can see on the left side of the screen what my phone camera sees. Now we need to create the start of the video. I will choose at which point in my drawing the stop motion part will start, so it will be at the top. Now we need to start recording. Then you can do a pen spin or just open the pen and put it down on the paper in that point where you wanted the stop motion to start. Now we will take the photos. The best thing is not to move the phone while taking photos, so if you have a shutter button, that works amazing. If you haven't, then you can also find somewhere in your camera settings to activate a picture taking by voice. Or if you can't find it, then just set the timer to 5 or 2 seconds and press the button. How I do this? I start drawing from the point where I put the pen down. So from the top corner, I draw my lines. You don't want to draw too much in one take, so draw the lines, then take a photo. Draw more, and then take a photo. I like to do it in the way that the ink lines flow into each other. So I will draw a line, and then if I see that there is a line connected in my sketch to the line that I have drawn, I will add that in the next photo. Well, you can see what I'm doing in the video. I think it explains itself better than me talking. But you can also work from top to bottom or other way around. What I mean by that is you draw like 5mm at the top, take a picture, then draw 5mm more, then take a picture. 5mm is an example. That way, when you put the pictures together, it will look like the drawing comes alive from top to bottom. And the more photos you will have, the more interesting the animation will look at the end. I will stop talking for a bit and you can just watch me draw. So don't forget, after each little line you draw, take a photo. When I am done with drawing the outlines, I want to take some close-up shots for how I draw the little details, like shading with dots and lines. What I will do is take the phone in one hand and draw with the other one. If you have a phone holder that can move like a snake, then you're lucky, because then you can put the phone there and you have both hands free to draw. This part I will record. You can move your phone closer or further away. You will see what looks best for your drawing. I will not film all the process, but just some snippets. The rest of the drawing I finish outside the camera. Then when I'm happy with how it looks, we need to film an ending to our video. So I will do a video where I shoot from top, moving my phone closer and further away from drawing. Now the editing part. I use 2 free apps, Shot and CapCut. First, let's open InShot, click on the video to start a new project. And then we need to select and import all the photos we took. Just the photos, no videos now. In the free version, you will have the watermark. You can remove it by watching an ad or just buy the premium version. So at the bottom you will see all the photos and they are too long for our animation. You click the photo, then on that clock, which is duration, and change it to 0.1 second. And click on the double check mark to apply these changes to every photo at the same time. Now press play and stop motion part is done. You want to save the video, and now we will put together the start of the video and the stop motion part. So start the new project, select those two videos and import. First I want to find the frame where I open the pen and put it on paper. So you find your best shot, and when you are happy with the start frame, then click split and you can delete the part which you don't want in your video. And I do the same with the end. I will look for a frame where I have lifted the pen and my hand is not seen in the video, and I will split in there and delete the rest. Now you want to add smoother transition between the videos by clicking on that white square. In between them there are some free transitions. Look which one you like the best and you can change how long the transition will be. When you are happy with how it looks, then save the video. And now we will work in CapCut, because there are many more free transitions. Click new project and import the video we just made and those close-up and end shots. I want the first video to be closer, so I will click edit and crop, and I will crop it in the size I want. For the Reels or TikToks it will be 16:9, I will just make it closer. When that looks good, I will start editing the second part with those close-up shots. Now you want to find the start frame that you are happy with, and then you split where needed and delete the part that you don't want in your video. I usually delete most of the video out and only some frames make the cut. What I like to do is show a bit of me drawing in one spot, then another and another. How I edit is I start and end my videos when the pen is on the paper. It will be much more prettier for the viewer's eyes. So the split and delete in this process will be your best friends. So remember to make the cuts look seamless. If you end one part with the pen down, then the next part you should also start when the pen is down. Now I will stop talking, you can see me editing this part, and then we will move on. So this part is done, and I decided that the ending part will start close and go further away. So I split my video in the part where the door is really close and delete the rest. And then you can delete the ending that the CapCut will provide automatically. Let's look at what we have made so far. Looks pretty good, but we want some transitions that will make this video look much better. Click on that square between the close-up shot and the ending part. There are many transitions. I usually go for the ones that are under camera. And then you choose which one you like the best. And with that green slider you can change how long the transition will be. When you finally have decided which one you like, then we also need to do the same between the stop motion part and the close-up shots. Now let's play the video again and see how much more interesting this video looks with those new transitions. And now the most important part. Let's save the video and share it with the world. So this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it and see you next week when I will be animating your drawings in my style. Bye!